Hey guys, Dan from Dimensional Streaming Media here with my good friend from Darkside Media, Kerry Badgley. We're just out in where?
Brackendale, just outside of Squamish, BC.
It's a fantastic, beautiful place. We're just going to try to shoot a short film.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah, we're just going to have some fun. It's nice scenery behind me. You can't see it because I'm squatting literally right in front of it. So, let's go.
Let's do it. My name is Kerry, and music is my passion. Most of the time when I'm writing, I'm behind a desk. But sometimes you just need to get out in nature and find new ways to step out of your comfort zone.
Hi, my name is Daniel Westbay, and I'm a videographer. Look, I get it. We all have creative blocks. I don't often have a plan as to what it is I'm gonna film or what it is I'm gonna do. So please, if you get a chance, you get an opportunity. I know times are hard, but just get out there, find good friends, and get inspired.
Find something that inspires you and run with it. Get out there, get inspired.